Tesla traders keep chasing momentum, but structure right now is screaming either breakout or bull trap, and we're at decision time. So when looking at Tesla, I truly believe that the next move should be based on statistics. And statistically speaking, we should rotate back to the downside, hitting this prior low at 387 and 3/4, and then we should look for a rotational bounce. Now this could be shorter term or this could lead to a bigger trend, but in general what we're looking for again is a bounce off of that low to go all the way back up to this prior high, which is right roughly at 401 and 3/4, okay? So just be aware that that's the major game plan leading into tomorrow's session. But obviously there's other viewpoints, right? If we simply break down, let's just say we gap down tomorrow, super hard, all the way down to 371, then okay, now momentum is clearly different, right? Momentum is now clearly bearish, and now you want to simply follow momentum. And in following momentum, you're looking now for a routine play back to the retest of the prior low, okay? That would be how you enter the move if we do go directly lower first. Now, as the tricky part is what happens if we go higher. If we go higher, it's a little bit difficult to try to trade this as it goes up because the major objective, again, is to retest that prior high at 404 or 402, just a little bit lower. So it's a little like there's no space, basically. So what you really want to do is wait for the market to get to that point. Because once it gets to that point, it's either going to do two things. It's either going to keep going higher, in which it should be pretty obvious that this thing is a breakout. And now you want to look to buy the dip, so to speak, okay? Be patient, sit on hands, and look for that nice buying opportunity for the market to rotate back to the upside. Now, once we do get up to this high, however, what should technically happen is that we should look for a rotation going off of this high back to the downside. Now, this type of momentum shift will definitely need a G and R pattern specifically, so be on the lookout for this overall rotation like so, okay? Now, once we do get back down to the low, the game plan pretty much is the same as it started. We're looking for a rotational bounce off of that low, and or we're looking for a breakout to continue, in which now we're looking to sell, all right? So be sure to review this, look at the 4 variations. Again, this one right here isn't necessarily something that you want to trade. Look for the outskirts and then trade the rotations or trade the breakouts once they're clearly defined. Thanks for watching, and be sure to join me tomorrow morning at 9:30 where you can see me trade the S&P 500 futures chart live, free here on YouTube. And I'll see you all on the next candle.